Is your Pioneer Xumo TV turning on randomly without you pressing any buttons? This frustrating issue is more common than you might think, and there are several technical reasons why it happens. The most common culprit is HDMI CEC, which stands for Consumer Electronics Control. This feature allows connected devices like game consoles, cable boxes, or streaming devices to automatically control your TV's power. Another cause is Wake on LAN, which allows devices on your network to remotely power on your TV. This can happen when your phone, computer, or other smart devices send network signals to wake up the television. Timer settings can also cause unexpected power on behavior. Your TV might have sleep timers, auto-off features, or scheduled power settings that you've forgotten about. Additionally, a faulty remote control with stuck buttons can repeatedly send power signals. Understanding these root causes is the first step to solving the problem. In the next section, we'll walk through specific troubleshooting steps to identify and fix whichever issue is affecting your Pioneer Xumo TV. Now we'll walk through the systematic troubleshooting steps to fix your Pioneer Xumo TV that turns on by itself. We'll start with the simplest solutions and work our way up to more advanced fixes. Step 1. Check your remote control. Look for any stuck buttons, especially the power button. Remove the batteries from your remote and see if the TV stops turning on by itself. If it does, you found your culprit. Step 2. Power cycle your TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This clears temporary glitches and resets the TV's internal systems. Make sure the power cable is securely connected when you plug it back in. Step 3. Disable HDMI CEC in your TV settings. HDMI CEC allows connected devices like game consoles or cable boxes to control your TV's power. Look for settings called HDMI CEC, Bravia Sync, or similar names and turn them off. Step 4. Disable Wake on LAN if your TV has this feature. Wake on LAN allows network devices to turn on your TV remotely. Look for settings like Wake on LAN or TV on with mobile and disable them to prevent unwanted network wake-ups. Step 5. Review your power settings. Check that sleep timer is disabled, auto-off is turned off, and any eco mode or fast start features are disabled. These power management features can sometimes cause unexpected behavior. Step 6. Update your TV's firmware. Outdated firmware can cause various issues, including unwanted power behavior. Check for available updates in your TV's system settings or visit the Pioneer or Xumo website for update instructions. Step 7. If nothing else works, perform a factory reset as a last resort. This will erase all your settings and return the TV to its original state. Back up any important settings before proceeding, as you'll need to set everything up again. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, you may have a hardware problem. Contact Pioneer or Xumo customer support for professional assistance. They can help diagnose hardware issues or provide warranty service if needed. Remember to work through these steps systematically, starting with the simplest solutions first. Most TV power issues can be resolved with these troubleshooting steps, and you should be able to stop your Pioneer Xumo TV from turning on by itself.